Guys, so today I'm going to be doing homemade squishy update number 4. So let's just get started. By the way guys, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. You guys are awesome. Is this red roll squishy? Next is this Billy the Whale squishy. Next is this Ibloom banana, and I really love this one so much. And the stick is made out of paper. Next, I'm going to show you these squishies, and this is made by my little brother. First one is this heart. And the second one is this thing. I don't know what is this. I just want to say that I do have tutorials on these 3 squishies. So if you guys want to make one of these or 3 of these, then you can click the link. I will put the link in the description box. So guys, that is the homemade squishy update video number 4, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye!